you buy one set of plans online, in the fine print, you get one set. You don't have the right to copy those. You have to pay extra to be able to have more than one copy. Typically when you receive that set too, it'll also be stamped not for construction. The reason you need more than one set is all the plumber, electrician, all the subs on the job, framer, concrete, they all need a set so they can look at what their particular work is and how that ties to everybody else and be prepared to do the job. As well as we have to send sets through the local building authorities to get them approved before we can start building. The set that I have in my hand, you can see here, has been approved by the local building authority. It's stamped on every page. This set's left on the job site so that every contractor that comes here can reference the set that they have against this set and make sure that there's nothing that the local building authority hasn't added to the set of plans. By the time you get to the point that you've paid the fees online to own the right to make as many sets as you want, you're at the point you could have had the home custom drawn and own the plans outright anyway. And most of the plans online are really not from the Northwest. A lot of them are from back east or in really warm climates. And so the foundation that comes with the plan is not adequate for a lot of areas, especially north and west in the United States. When you buy a plan online, in the fine print they exclude any engineering, whether it be for snow load, wind load, shear panels, foundation depth. All that is completely excluded from their plan because they want somebody local who understands the engineering in our particular area, our soil conditions, wind loads, typical snow loads, to add that engineering to their plan. So you have to outsource that to an engineer when you buy plans online, and that adds to the cost of your set of plans. So the advantage to working with a builder like Northridge Homes is even if we're building you a custom home, all that's included in your price of plans. Our price of plans is actually cheaper than buying them online, and it includes the architectural work and the engineering work.